Okay, I'm gonna go in and have a look at what it's like in the iColor We Fix Your Apple Device shop. Oh, sorry. Oh God. I probably won't get through the doors. Somebody just... What have I got in my bag? Probably won't get through the doors here. The president of Indonesia's son founded this place. iColor. Oh, everybody is waiting to get their phones fixed. So full of people. Orang-orang apa? Oh. Ibu saya is in the front there. Okay, what they say?
Oh yeah. Mbak, yang punya. iPod-nya, oh iPod.
Oh, iPad. You mean?
I don't know.
iCloud dan passwordnya.
Password. Oh yeah.
Oh, password,
I can
You
give.
need?
You need password. Yeah. So because they have to restart.
Same as yours.
Yeah.
You need the number?
Gak usah. Jadi dia nanti di restore itu iCloud dan passwordnya harus hafal biar bisa ke menu lagi, biar bisa digunain.
Oke.
Jika nggak hafal, dia hubunginnya ke Apple Care.
Ya, karena kita kan kalau di Inggris kita tuh ke Apple Care.
Iya.
Tapi kita pas lagi berkunjung ke sini, di sini nggak ada Apple Care kan?
Di telepon ya.
Nah, jadi ya mungkin restart aja.
Hafal ya.
So yeah, so you know that everything that she said output. But
Yeah, I've got it on the iPad. The password, etc.
Ditunggu aja nanti aku panggil. Ini
Berapa lama Mbak?
kurang lebih setengah jaman.
Oke, in 30 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes?
Ya,
That's good.
Mbak ada untuk laptop ada orangnya?
Ya.
Anakku tuh mau benerin laptopnya ada
MacBook-nya
MacBook ya.
MacBook-nya teknisnya lagi istirahat.
Oh, oke. Look,
Siapa?
Andre.
Andre. So maybe I just ask Andre to come here with you.
Yeah, okay.
It is the car is already.
He's setting the car.
Oh, okay. Look, they say that nobody, no many people in Indonesia.
Yeah, I
say-
just read an article that nobody has iPhones. Yeah, it's rubbish.
Nanti di tahap awal kan di restore. Kalau misalkan gagal, berarti dia ada kerusakan di mesinnya.
Oh, okay.
Nanti kita ikutin lagi ya.
Yeah. So they were the first. They restored. If I fail, that's they will what's that? Maybe the machine something problem about that.
Maybe the what?
They wanna restart.
Yes. Yeah, they're gonna restart it.
So this
And if it fails, what?
yeah.
They'll open it up. or
Maybe
something.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I will call Andre then.
Okay.
I will in the car.